You're welcome. This is Midas Falijimo. This is the summary of day one of the robotic training and how to make money passively using AI. Right. So we talk simple, said understanding the how to exploring the possibilities in AI for massive profit. Now, first of all, you need to understand what AI stands for. Uh, AI trading platforms are guided by algorithm that tell the program how to behave and respond under specific conditions. The algorithms that power trading both use machine learning to carry out the comprehensive real-time analysis of large proofs of online data. Okay, so using artificial intelligence to guide trading strategy and execute trade is perfectly legal under US and international law. AI is also reduced the amount of time to spend or a person must invest to learn forex and cryptocurrency trading strategy before getting started. Right. So, however, regulatory guidelines vary from country to country. So you need to understand, of course, and the risk involved around, you know, using AI. But the benefits are enormous, and however, too, you need to watch over certain possibility or chances of making loss and all of that. Now we have scope of coverage that we have to give to you. So, but we're going to do only two major ones. So coverage of what we have is number one, exchange custom and API robotic investing and trading. So we call non-liquidated API spot and future AI. And then we have custom and smart quantum algorithm model. Then we have Telegram AI and robotic model. Then we have low gems under the Telegram. We have low gems and the Gen robotic system. There are many of them like that. Okay. Then we have Web3 AI and robotic softwares. All right. Tron based automated degen, Soul based automated degen, Ethereum based automated degen and low gems, and then automated degen and low gems copy training. Then we have MT5, MT4, hands-free automated EA for FX and synthetic. So now these are various type of AI that you can leverage on and to make a lot of money while you actually don't know much about trading. So quickly, I'll run you around on the on different aspects you need to pay attention to. We talked about to trade, many of you, because I know some of you are confused when we talk about all of those things. Say trading is not difficult, but it's systematic. And so AI has reduced the stress involved in getting trading properly delivered and making profits on trading. And so we said there are things you must have. You need to have um, trading account for exchange platform and other stuff. So we use like Bybit and other related exchange platforms. So now quickly, we now said if you look at it in the market, all of these things you can see here are AI automated system to guide us in make money. And quickly, let me share with you. Now we said all this platform, look at it here. This is a platform we use for market analysis. Now, all of this that says bull, that is to buy, it's an AI that indicate, hey, you know what? The market is good. You can buy bull and look at it. So if you're trading this, you will have entered the market at this point. And then when it says sell, you will have sell. When it says buy. So all of these are AI automated system that you do not need to disturb yourself to actually trade. And so we have different AI software that help you give you direction of the market activities and all of that. So we have seen the importance and how AI has actually helped people to make massive money. And that's what we introduced to you on how to maximize it. So, remember, the first day is for introductory, and then the subsequent day is going to go detail about how you can maximize, the AI and different platforms. So this is a place where you check market analysis and all of that. I know many of you are new to trading. You don't know much about trading, but that's not to say I'm just going to do practical for you here. It's just to show you the direction and which how this AI actually have come to stay and help people to reduce the unnecessary stress, how to make money, how to produce, and how to go about, building up your strategy as much as possible. Look at this is AI will have told you where the market is going. Then you look at it ahead of time. And so if you do not know much about trading, you can make a lot of money. All right. And that's why we said AI is very, very lucrative for anyone who wants to make money without much stress. And these are examples of AI related tools that will support you. Like in trading, these are called indicators and all of that, but they are more sophisticated, like unlike before, that lagging stuff and all of that. So, but of course, we do a lot of resetting that you do not need to know too much, and then you can make a lot of money. You understand? And that's how AI actually help people to make a lot of money. Now, we said we have, okay, so we said we have different platforms. So imagine you're here, this AI have told you, oh, this is doing, come and buy here. And then yours is just to copy and paste. And that's all. That's one aspect of, we talk about API, connected AI system and all of that. Now we now said, no, for you to maximize this opportunity, we show you different aspects of AI. Now, AI that you can trade and copy trading without you even looking to know much about it. That we have example, we showed you that you can sniper and set certain conditions, right? So I want to activate AI and put my money, put all the conditions that are necessary, and I'll go to sleep. And then just for me to come back and be checking how this guy had been making money. Now, if I want to follow somebody who knows how to trade more than you and then is researching more than you, it's just for me to follow his link and then copy, and then he'll be trading and you are making money. These are another pattern of AI system and where you can make a whole lot of money. Okay. So we have so many platforms or so many AI strategy that you adopt to make money in this. Like, for instance, this is another strategy here where I can check, look at it, for instance. I can check this guy now and look at, let me just refresh. I can check a performing what they call wallet. So we'll talk about Web3. We'll talk about a performing wallet that's doing well in the market. And what do? I just follow and look at it. Okay, look at it here. P&L, what this person has made so far while trading. He has made about 143,000.3%. And he has done about 17x of his trade. Now, if I look at this guy, I'm saying, hey, if this guy, all right, if this guy for 7 days, this guy have done 103,000. P&L, sorry, the profit, and then you have this, or just 29%, no, and then this. There are interpretation to this. So, for instance, let me look at this guy. How many X this guy have done? About how many X? And he has traded for about 1 day, 16 hour, and he has done about how many X? So 28,000. I need somebody who have much volumes of money. Okay, so maybe we'll just work with the first guy. No, so let's work with this guy. No, let's work with this guy. I just want to show you an example. Let me pick this guy. Okay, let's manage this guy. So now this one we'll call Web3, and then look at it. See this guy. I can check. This guy is worth over $236,000. All right, and he has done over so in 30 days. And so you see trading that's still running, is trading, is profiting, and all of that. So what I can do, I can continue to check this guy on, and that's what we call on-chain analysis. So I'm just showing you example so that this should not bother you so much, because this is not even a free training on when it comes to Web3 on-chain analysis. Like this guy, I can't copy because he does not, I can't see any token. And these are how we trade and take money with little money, and we're able to make money from different tokens that before they become so big. Okay, so we have different AI that we can check market, you can analyze the market, you can drug and look at it up and down, right? And then you are looking, oh, I'm going to make money. Yes, fine, can make money without knowing too much. Without knowing too much. I'm telling you, without knowing too much, you can make a lot of money. Okay, so these are AI strategy. These are softwares and different AI platforms that you can make a whole lot of money. Okay, so now going to custom activities, we said, okay, we have different AI. So we say the first two we're going to give to you. So let me quickly open it and show you. We say we have two we're going to give to you. First is the API AI system, and I quickly want to show you that now here straight away. All right, so I'm going to show you AI API system. Okay, example of the API system, how it works and how you can make money through it. Let's quickly look at it. Okay, so now I'm going to open up here to you, show you. Now, this is an AI, right? How does it work? They have different strategy. This have this AI had a different strategy. That's one of the most lovely things I love here. It has different strategy. Now, quickly, let me first show you analysis does here. Now, look at give you the market analysis, detail of what's happening, right? And we look at all the market. And now it's going to show me, reveal to me on the performance of each of the coin for the day, and even look at those ones that are making more sense right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and all the like, chain link and all the like that are actually getting hotter. Now, looking at the index for the day, all right? So looking at the index of the day, fear and greed index, and it shows us that total crypto quota dropped, like unlike yesterday. So today dropped, but it's still about 83 billion in the quota, and then total capital is about 200 and uh, 200 and something billion for the trading. Okay, so right now for the day, and then the change over a period of time, we have more activities previously than now, and all of this. So now quickly, how do I use this AI to trade, to make money? One of the first things you must know about this AI is that it is an API connected robotic system. How? You need to have an exchange. Example, Bybit, Binance, and all the like. All right? You need to have an exchange. And where are the exchange? You have Bybit, you have Binance, you have OKS, BitGet, KuCoin, Bitfinex, all of these are exchange you need to have and fund your account with those exchange. And of course, you need to connect what we call API. So you're going to create an API. So of course, whoever that's getting set, we walk you through on how to create the API and connect to your AI so that to be trading for you. And so now the next, haven't done that, you need to, okay, I need to have an exchange. And then the next you now need to have is now how you need to register, right? This you register to have what they call UGAS, for you to be able to trade. For instance, if I want to bind, and then I go to asset, for instance, and I'm going to go to, you want to buy what they call UGAS, okay? So here, go here. Okay, so now this is the lovely thing I have here. The lovely thing I have here is that you can do this, connect your boat, connect your account with this, and then you just continue to trade. Now, but the best thing is that the announcement I'll make for you is this. You want to really make it big and you have reasonable fund, the best I'll recommend for you is to start here. Now, somebody was asking why, Felix. The reason is that here we put you to one of our VIP platform where we can direct you on major coins you should set your AI bot to be trading on. And I can tell you can make insane money, right? So, but if you do not know how, then you can start here. That's the basic you should start from. And then which is to walk you through how to connect your boat, and then you'll be trading. So now let's quickly go here. Let's quickly go back here now. Now, this is how does now actually this AI work for me? Now we have different strategy. We have different strategy of this AI. Okay. If I go to the market, for instance, right? Go to trade. Now you have different AI. One of the lovely thing about this AI is this. Number one, you do not know too much thing. You can do automated. And automated is that you just need to have minimum of $500 in your account. And then, of course, I'm sure you need to buy you guys up to about $500 or 540. And then all you do is to come and you're able to connect. If I click here, see what it says now, right? So you are going to connect your account and then set the number of days you want it to run. Make sense, right? Set the number of days you want it to run. Yes, still understand that risks are involved because you can trade and issues happen and all of that, but you can still make money. So at that point, you just click long and then you fold your hands. And what's showing you that previous performance of this has done average, you can do about on the API 980%, waiting. Now, futures automated. This is spot, and why this one is futures. So you just to click, and then you put in your money in your wallet, in your exchange, and then you allow the bot to run. That's one of the aspects. Then we have AI synchronize. This is another bigger one, all right? Be larger and all of that. But let me go, because this require you to do bigger, just like a copy trading. That's amazing, right? Now, this is a signal. It's amazing. Signal. So signal means if I click now, let's go to this futures. So if I want to use signal, that is, a signal is sent. That is, a signal is sent. I just want to copy signal, right? I just want to copy signals that's sent on the platform and all of that, and then I can use to trade. Then signal to work for system, use it to trade when a particular pattern is used. Then the next we're going to go to. Look at it. We have about how many strategy here? Man, this is amazing. We have this for spot, our futures. This is DCA Pro. That is, it trade only once and stop. You reset if you want. This is one. Two, this is spot. It trade only one. That is, I set a market and then do everything and I go away, and then you set and trade for me, and then I make money. Now, AIDCA, this one can trade continually and then on spot. And this one, the same thing. Okay. Now, these are the most type we use. Then we have grid, spot grid and future grid. But these are the type I mostly use. Okay. Now, assuming I want to use spot future, I tap here. Now, I will quickly explain this tool for you. We have long, we have short, we have auto hedging, and we have single, auto single. Now, what are these things for? What are all these things? Now, if you are a beginner who don't know much about trading, and then you don't even know how to start, and once you connect your boat, I will always advise you use auto single. Auto single. What does that mean? Auto single means neutral. I'm entering the market, but I don't know where to start from. But please, both trade for me. And then when you say trade for me, meaning I'm not even setting any parameter. Use your own parameter and all of that. So market is set up. You're now connecting this, because I don't need to go detail about it, because if I do this now, it's going to get you confused unless those words will get started. Now, once I put this and I come back here, I put on cycle. What cycle means is that buy low, sell high, enter again. In the case of futures, short, take profit, long, take profit, continue to do that unless I stop you, because you can stop it. And that's what this one continue to do. You get it? You continue to do this in on and on and on and on for as much as you leave it. Right? So all these settings, I may not need to go there more detail. But there's a way we set all this. Your boat will be running. You can have a drawdown, but you won't be liquidated. This is one of the what make this AI outstanding. I'm very sure you've been hearing about I use AI, it blew my account. Come and test this. You can't have account blown. I'm telling you that, because there are settings we give to you, and then the AI continue to. You can have a drawdown because maybe you set, for instance, market was going down and you went up. So for a while, you'll be on a drawdown. Over time, the market return. What we always advise people on this AI is that don't even touch it, allow it to run. Over time, when the market return, you make. And one of the good things is that we're going to give you what we call soft landing. That is, we're going to put in a group and then direct you which every day, which coin to set in your boat and all of that. You don't need to have too much headache. It's about leverage. Okay. Now, this auto hedging means I don't know where market is going. Market is going to go up or down. Okay, whichever way it goes. I'm buying two positions at a go as I enter the market. I'm buying and I'm selling. So when I buy and I sell at the same time, market go down, take profit on the one that I sold, and then market still go down, buy again, that is short again and take profit. Now, you know the one that was open long will be hanging and give you a drawdown. Then when market return up, then that other one that was a buy now eventually sell, and then you have much money. So you can see drawdown. So, but if you are a new person, you are not experienced, and you don't have much fun, I don't advise you to go to this auto hedging. Then short means, okay, market is going down, maybe Bitcoin or whichever coin you're using, and then it's going down. Okay, I want to short. Sometimes you can just short with your boat and leave it in single, meaning as I short now, put my profit parameters and all of that, As you do one-time trading, it will stop. You have to redo it again. But this, if you believe, for instance, maybe you wake up in a week and you do week along the market, it's bullish, and which I'm going to show to you how we do that. It's bullish. Maybe it's going to be bullish for the next 1 week. Hey, I set my boat for long right here. I set it for long, and then it continued to trade, right? Continue to trade for that week. So when the week round up and I see that market is not going to take in, going down, I stop it and set it on. So that the way I just do the work for you, you're going to be making passive income. Okay. And that's exactly what we have been saying, and that you should leverage on AI and let the AI do the dirty job for you. Okay. So I just discuss more about what this AI can do for you. This is called API, example of API. We have more than this. We have a lot of those type of API robotic system. API robotic system. That is, API means connecting the remote with the main server, and then continue to trade, and you'll be fine. So now you ask me, okay, how much does it take for me to be part of this, right? How much am I going to use? Of course, when you want to get started, you can come back and we show you what it takes. How much can I have in my bank account, my exchange, to be able to participate in this? Of course, you can, as low as $100, you can get started. But of course, the better the money you have, the better money you make. Okay. But one thing is just to know that there is no amount that is too small to start crypto and investing. You can make a lot of money. Remember what we're just showing you? It just just very little out of the major stuff we have that can help you to make a lot of money in the space. Okay, so quickly, now this is the API representative, all right? We have more than this, but we just show you the simplest one and cheaper one that you will not need to waste too much money to get started. Good news is this: to start with, maybe you have $1,000 in your Binance or your OKS or your Bybit, and then you go for the UGAS. What is UGAS? UGAS means the fuel. The boat is free. You are not paying for the boat. You only buy fuel to fuel the trading that is doing for you. So there's nothing like, okay, pay your subscription, and then we are now, because you know trading require charges, transaction fee. Okay, so that's what the UGAS means. So, but the boat is free. Nobody charge you for the boat. You register, it's free. You connect your account and all of that. So to register is free. So nobody's charging you. But for you to now trade, you need a gas, which is fuel. Okay, imagine you have a free vehicle. Somebody just dash you, gifted you a vehicle, and then when it's going, say, please, can you dash me money to buy fuel? He will look at you. Are you responsible at all? So that's the same thing. So this software allow you to register free, connect your boat, your account, and then fuel it and let it be running for you. Seriously. Now, somebody can ask me, what if I fuel it with $990 something worth of fuel? You can, if you are trading and you are following our instruction, before that fuel you fuel of $90 something finish, let's call it $100, and you are trading with maybe $100 or $200, you will have made average of $1,000 before the fuel got finished. You are trading with $100, $150. You should have made average of $1,000 plus before your fuel got finished. So I think it's not a bad deal for you. Okay, then if you fund with the gas of $540, now advantage of this is that when you do that, we add you to a VIP group. Number one, we give you some coins that can even do 10x in 2 weeks. Yes, you heard me right. We'll give you some coin that can do 10x, 20x. We're going to show you some coins that do massive move, and then you can have advantage to take part of those stuff. Okay, so now that's about this. The next I'm going to show to you is more simpler, okay? This is more simpler, and it will help you to still make money. So we're going to go to the second one, a simpler one. But you know, why you ask me now, why do you now take advantage of all of this? It's called diversification. To solve, to reduce problem or to handle the problem of risk exposure is to diversify your portfolio. Okay, so I'm going to show you the second one, which is called custom. So quickly, just follow me. I'm going to show you that. Remember, it's a 2-day event. In the next day is going to be a more practical stuff. Okay, so let's quickly look. I'm going to go into the other softwares. All right, that's going to help you to make money. This only requires your attention, right? So this one, um, we call it custom because you have to use the platform, right, to do what you want to do. Okay. All right. So let me just show you this very, very quickly. Okay. So let me show you quickly how this actually works. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, there we go. Let's show you how this one actually works. Now, this is a quantum style. Now, this is a quantum style, quantum style. This is a custom quantum style. So this one say we're going to give you a means of making money. All right. So what do you do? When you register, number one, when you register, you want to, but you can't access all of these softwares without somebody giving you an access code. I'm still going to show you some of those decentralized tools of the Web3 solutions and softwares that you cannot, you hear me right? You cannot access them without being given access to by somebody. And that's exactly what you need to understand. Okay. So now, once you have been given an access code and then you get your account started, now, you ask me how much do I need to get started with this one too? Maybe maximum $100. Sorry, minimum $100, 200, 300, as much as possible. So let's look at an example. How does this one work? Now, this one have two dimension, or let me call it three dimension. This one have two in one, and then the second one subdivided. You still have an API system too. Now, API model, so it's a combination of API model where, but you only can connect two exchange here, Binance and OKEx. Once it's connected, but you need to have minimum of $1,500 in your account for you to be able to enable this. Of course, you are going to buy gas too. It's free, but you have to buy gas, which is called this here. The gas here is called COOP. You have to pay for the fee, transaction fee, not paying for the renter. You are not renting; they give it to you free to use. Once it's connected, you continue to trade, and then you are making money. Now, the next that is a lot simpler is called the COOP trading. Okay, look at it. How does that work? You can call it custom. Okay, so here, once you register, you probably want to click on recharge and make use. If we're going to guide you through all of this, so let's say you want to trade with $500 and you deposit it in and it's in. So, however, how to go about it, we're going to show you just to show you how this is operated. Now, for this guy, for you to trade the same thing, like we talk about gas fee or you gas in the other softwares, this one you talk about COOP. For you to trade, you are going to use a COOP, and that's what we call about COOP shop. Now, if you look at this, the COOP shop, once you register, they will give you free COOP to test how the trade run. They are going to give you, but that's going to limit you to 12 hours. The operation of this guy is that you come to reset it every 24 hours. Just like the other one I told you, you have auto single, you have cycle. When you put single, after the trading is completed, you need to come back and reset again and again. And so here, you're going to be resetting every 24 hours. You get it? So every 24 hours, you have to do a reset. After the reset, then you have seen the money you're making. Now, but how it is on? Look at it. Excuse me. Right, just a moment. Okay. There's an interruption there. Let's go. Okay. So let's go. So I'm going to wrap up shortly. So here now, haven't picked your account and you fund your account, they're using the custom. So how does a custom work? The custom is very simple. The custom works this way. You have two ways of the custom, all right? If I click on Coop here, because one is already running, you can see, right? Now, if I click on this plus sign, so you have what we call smart and customized. The smart means just use the algorithm setting. All you need is to put in your money. And so once your money is computed, you need to select server. Okay. So if I put in my money, so let's say I say or, and then I need to pick a server. Okay. So because this is smart and all the like, so I need to pick a server for saying. Okay, because there is no money in here. So, and that's why this cannot go. I'm just showing you that then you put your server, you're going to select your server and all the like. Okay. Or let's go 24 hours. Okay. Okay, so now here look at it. The plus, then let's say $500 or $100 if it's what you are starting with. So I'm going to select a server. Okay, then I'm going to just click create. That's all. So after 24 hours, you come back to reset it again. That's your job. Every 24 hours, that's what you do. Now, the customize means you are going to set other parameters. Number one, these parameters is that I'm going to combine three different strategy. Trend following strategy, maybe arbitrage, and maybe statistical, no, maybe momentum. Okay, then if that's set, I need to select my risk strategy. So currency, I can select like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and BNB, depending. So please understand, I'm just doing this because these are things we guide you once you come on board. So we're not just selecting those things at random, but how they are being used. Okay. Then risk level. This is the most aggressive, the C minus. That is, they are telling you you can make big money, but at the same time you can sustain injury. You know, so the more expectation you have in the money return, the likely risk you can get involved with. And that's what it means. So this continue, but here too, for you to be able to participate on these, you need to have minimum of $500. So the one that you can start with minimum of $100 is this customized coup. Now look at it. Let me now show you what this account has been doing, right? So if you click on order log, look at it, order log. Previous day, that was yesterday. Now, that means this account made $39. So this account started with $1,500, right? So let's call it about 8 to 9 days now. Okay. So, and now it has made additional $233. Okay. All right. And then previously, you can see $35, $34. I'm just showing you all of this, so they are not necessary. But now, if I show you, now the custom actually traded about 5 coins: Chainlink, VChain, and about all of them like that. You can see the way they traded it. You can see the way he traded them. See the way he traded them. See the way he traded them. Now, after the trading, what was actually made was over how much? 50 something dollars. That's about 56.119. So the expert algorithm setters, they are going to collect their own fee. So I haven't made about $50 for you. We're going to take 20% of that. And then $39 remitted to you as your own finite income, which is at least your net profit. I'm not sure it's too bad. If you have an account that is about, right? If you have an account that's about you have an account about $500 or $600, and then you are making average of this. So that means in a month you can do average of 50 to 70 or 80%. If you check this account now, by the time it's going to do 1 month, you must have made above $1,000. And so, and this is because it's actually compounding. And then if you like, you can say, okay, the one I've made is enough. And then you can you want to click a withdraw. So how to withdraw? Of course, we're going to get to that when you must have started. So that's how all these both actually work. And so we're showing you all of this strategy. So you can see that there's so much money making in this space. But the quite unfortunate thing is that, let me just show you something. Why you are struggling and think that certain thing is not possible, let me show you something that will surprise you. Let me go to a platform called Deck Screener. Okay, it's part of the thing we teach on how to look for low gem tokens that can do massive percentage. So imagine you are making money now. You are now looking for a way to maximize in buying into different opportunity coins and make money more and all of that. So this is Desk Screener, for instance, right? This is Desk Screener. It will surprise you that you see, okay, look at how can a coin, how can a coin, okay, see, how can a coin do how many percent in 24 hours? 23,000%. That's crazy, right? How can a coin do 23,000% in 24 hours? Is it possible? You'll be surprised, right? You're surprised. Okay? So these are how people make insane money in the space, right? Because it's just for you to follow simple instruction. If I show you other things now, let me go to new peers, right? We're wrapping up this, so because the next training is going to be more massive and all of that. So, okay, say 24 hours. Let me take 3 hours. So liquidity 50,000. Okay. So within Solana ecosystem, okay, save and apply. Okay. So ages, let's go by seconds and minutes. Look at this. PDC, Panda something, whatever. Okay, this was massive. Now, this could be very risky, but people are making money. Okay, so these are the things that we actually teach and show people what to look out for and how to look out for all of those things so that you can make a lot of money by yourself too, right? So we saw this. Let's look at this. Nvidia, no. So I want to pick something very funny. Hobby. So Mudeng has pumped and he has done its own. It's already massive income people have made on hobby. Zyro, what is Zyro? Doesn't have a picture. I know many of you will be looking at what am I checking? That's part of the thing you will learn. You're going to learn if you get started with us on this journey. Okay. Okay. So I can just pick at random sometime, but I don't want to pick some old kind of project. Oh, no, this one is long. Man U. Man U, let's see how long. 14 days. That's long. But nevertheless, let me just check something. Man U. Okay. Now, so these are the things we do. Most time, so I'm not going detail of this. This guy just waiting to break this. And if you look at it, imagine for anyone who was in from the beginning, this is 4,000%, right? 4,000% within 6 days. And now, this is what it's now doing, right? Let's look at this. You actually need to break. So when you're not going by structure, if you're a trader, you know what we're doing here now. So you actually need this guy right? Don't worry. I know those of you who are new, you're confused already. Don't worry. I just need to do this to show you some things, how we actually make some insane money. But good thing, you know that making money here is not only limited to one style. That's why we're showing you different opportunity that you can help yourself to make a lot of money. You get it? Okay. So now for me, if this project that has stayed about 14 days, probably if I was following that, this is a place I will have bought or allow it to break this and retest, and I want to buy more, depending on what I'm able to check about this project. And so that means whoever this is just a day ago, we take up to this point, that will be 100%. Now, one of the lovely things is that all of this you don't need to do it by yourself. Robot will just do it for you. Yes, you hear me right. Robot will just do it for you. Yours is just to give instruction. For instance, how do I do the robot to do it for me? I can just copy this now, for instance, and I go to my robot, right? I can go to my robot, and what do I do on my robot? I just go to trade this. Let's go. And go to my robot. Let's see, I go to this, my robot. I have too many robots, so I can just give it command. Okay. Can just give it a command. I say, robot, you know what? Look at it. So look at it now. I just tell my robot, say yes. I say, okay, you know what? Buy for me. Okay. Another robot I can do, I can use my Telegram. Okay. So these are things we do. So here I can say buy now. So quick buy. If there's money there, and then just buy. Now, my other robot is that I just submit it. You know what to do. You will buy it, and I've set my parameters. As you finish buying it, I will be doing what I'm doing, and then when it gets to my profit, it will sell for me. Simple. So to make money now is more simpler than you ever think. And that's why I said eating food is more difficult than making money. But the problem is not everybody know how to build wealth. So now that's what we have for you on the introductory. We have a lot. So the subsequent day is going to be a massive one. And then you decide how to go about the whole process. Okay, so pay attention is very important. You want to get started with us, you can contact us, and then let's move together. Do have a nice time. Bye.